anybody can start a YouTube channel. That includes you, and I mean anybody. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert. And if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow a YouTube channel, I'm here to tell you that you can be anybody and still do it from scratch today. A couple of weeks ago, I hopped out of a taxi ride in which the taxi driver wanted to start a YouTube channel. He said he'd been thinking about it for years and all he wanted to do was create content to make money, to go live on YouTube, to live that life. Now, the shallow nature of it aside, the whole thing that he just only wants money and fame and doesn't want to do any work around it, there's something in that. Now, I did go on a rant about it right there and then. I'll even put a link in the description down below to that specific video on IGTV. But today, I'm going to tell you that anybody can start a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel should be focused on you. A passion, a job, a skill, your knowledge. Everybody has something that they could give. It could be your job, it can be a hobby, it can be something that you're wishing to learn, it could be your weight loss journey, it could be your weight gain journey, it could be a specific illness that you are dealing with. You can start a channel right now around everything or anything that is unique or specific to you. I say unique, but the 7.4 billion of us on this earth-ish about now, so your uniqueness will have an audience. Whether you're talking about cystic fibrosis, whether you're talking about how you broke your back, how you broke your neck, how you love riding horses, how you love crocheting, how you fix cars, how you pick and restore cars. Your hobby or your skill or your job is something that you can talk about. Let's say you are a taxi driver. You can tell us how you get your driver's license, how you get your taxi license, how you become a ranked taxi. Why do you need a Hackney carriage license in London? How much learning and cramming do you need to do the knowledge in London? How did you learn it? Was there studying techniques? Are there little sneaky tricks and tips that people like us should know? Is there any phrases that we should learn to help you better? How do you get onto Uber? Should you use Lyft? How do you use Uber Eats? Do they pay you enough? Can you use Just Eat, etc, etc, etc? Drill into every fine detail of your job. Now, I've only ripped that apart just for a taxi driver, but it could be absolutely any job at all. Whether you're a teacher, a doctor, a dentist, a plumber, a handyman, a YouTube creator. I make my videos on how I make my videos. I teach you all of the features and functionalities of the website that I upload it to, and I teach you how to create content. And slowly, I explain things behind me or make podcasts. All I do is I explain to you how I do my job and how that could help you. That is me offering you value. That's the next step. Have a hobby, have something unique, something that you could talk about for forever and a day. Now add value to it. Give them something that increases and improves their life. There is no point in making a 10, 15, 20-minute video where I'm rambling to you and nowhere within that 15-minute video have I given you something to go away with. At no point have I made you laugh or cry or feel better or understand the world a bit better or understand a feature or functionality of a website or a camera. What I do and what you should do too is give them, you, something that is worth your time here. I want to trade 5 minutes of your time for something that I can give you to make your life a little bit easier today, whether it's for video editing or whether it's motivation where I've ranted on about something to make you feel better, to feel motivated or understand that you need to keep learning and start creating. And indeed, the third thing that you need to consider if you are anybody starting a YouTube channel is continuing to learn. So I have a basis right now of around about 11, 12 years in the web development and social media space. I've been on YouTube for 7-ish years, but I continue to learn new features and functionality. Why? Because if I learn it, I can then teach it to you on year 1 of your career, of your pathway. If I now learn how to edit my videos a bit better, if I now know how to make PDFs to give you helpful tips, if I can give you the tools and softwares that I use to make my life easier, like TubeBuddy, there's a link in the description down below, then you've shortcutted that entire 3 years where I never used TubeBuddy. I found TubeBuddy and then wow. And that's the same for you. Maybe, going back to the taxi driver once again, you learn learn how to get a European license, or you learn how to drive internationally, or how it works going through the Channel Tunnel, etc, etc. You can now teach that to someone in a video. Whether it's knitting, whether it's skydiving, whether it's book reading, whether it's something about healing your neck when you've got a neck pain. Offer value, keep learning more, offer that value back to them, and it will grow your channel. But the one thing that everybody needs to focus on, whether you are new, whether you are starting from scratch today because of this video, or whether you've been on this platform for 3, 4, 5 years and you're still struggling, YouTube is a long haul game. As long as you focus on the value, you will grow, but at the end of the day, it's not going to happen instantly. There are some people that go viral. There are some people that get millions of views on their first 2 or 3 videos. I'm looking at you, Janelle Iliana. The statistics tend to favour people like me who have put up 300 odd videos. We are grinding, we are gaining 20, 30, 40 subscribers a day, and I am hurtling towards 10,000 subscribers very soon. And that can be you today with any business, any job. Go out there, start creating. There's a playlist here to get you started.